Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and I want us to speak about something that I've been noticing about uAbongwe Mseleku and Mphumelelo Mseleku. You guys, these two, what I've noticed now, when they're in a setting with other sit up with their other siblings, yes, they do like get along, as in like laughing and talking to one another. But I noticed that they intentionally kind of put some sort of boundary between one another. And I'm doing this video, you guys, because I want you guys to tell me if you guys also notice what I've noticed between uAbongwe and Mphumelelo Mseleku. I noticed that on this season, right, when they were playing a game, I think it was on episode 2, Izingane Sesithembu episode 2, when they were playing a game. And the question came up, who is uMusa Mseleku's favorite child? And the rest of the other siblings were caught in between two people, which was uAbongwe Mseleku and Mphumelelo. So Mphumelelo seems to have a very good relationship with Mseleku, and I'm quite surprised because I expected that because uAbongwe, because of her sexuality, that maybe Mseleku would like, kind of like not be that close to her. Because he's a traditional man, and traditional men, they don't believe in those type of things. But surprisingly enough, he's very close with uAbongwe. You can tell even when she speaks to him that they have a genuine relationship. Bayathandana, the two of them. They really do love one another. It's a genuine flowing relationship. But I do also remember in one of the seasons of Uthando Nesithembu, uMseleku said that uAbongwe reminds him of uFlo so much. Abonge reminds him of uFlo, and she looks exactly like uFlo amongst all of his kids, like to her complexion, to the way she laughs, to everything reminds him of uFlo. So that then made me wonder if that doesn't like kind of impact or have a hand in the reason why they're so close, because he just feels like he's close to his parent through uAbongwe, right? And then there's Mphumelelo. Mphumelelo, I don't feel like Mphumelelo has the same relationship as uAbongwe. Mphumelelo's one is much more, yes, uAbongwe respects her father, but it's much more flowy. It's like a friendship type of thing. With Mphumelelo loves and honors his father, but honors his father in a way that he wants to please his father so much that he is following in the steps of his father, and he basically is running his father's vision. So like I don't know like how to say, but like what like makes them close, but I guess I guess like the things that are on Musa's heart are the things that are on Mpumelelo's heart. I can say it in that way because Musa just has a vision to grow his family, and I guess Mpumelelo has taken that and making it his own thing. I don't really know like what makes them close, but yeah, I guess Musa, yes, in a way, he lives his life through Mpumelelo. The stuff that he couldn't do, some of the stuff that he couldn't do, he's making sure that Mpumelelo gets to do it. But I do feel like these two know in a sense that they are their father's favorites, but I feel like these two butt heads a lot, and I don't think they get along as we think they do. The previous season on Izingane Sesithembu, Mphumelelo and uAbongwe had a fight. But when they had a fight, like you could tell ukuthi Mphumelelo has this mentality ukuthi he thinks he's the older sibling. Like Mphumelelo like tends to like act much more mature than the others, or wants to act a lot more mature than the others, because I don't know, maybe he thinks he's got wives, then he's much more mature or older than the others. And uAbongwe, when she was having like an argument with, you can see uAbongwe, she's the person of like, she doesn't have many words. But I just like, there's something, you guys, I don't know like what, like to how to put my finger like on it, but there's something between these two. There's something between these two, and I just think because of the family that they grew up in. One thing about the Msiligu children, they were grown up with respect. No matter what we say, yes, there's some of them abaphume, but the majority of them, they were taught respect. And that's what I think we are seeing between Mpumelelo and Abongo. That they are really cordial as siblings. But in a normal setup, I just feel like these two, like Abazwan. I feel like Abazwani, and I feel like in season 2 we are bound to see them butting heads again. Even like the last episode when Umpumelelo was bringing in Unosipho. Did you see the look that Abongwe, like she was just so unsatisfied? It was as if Abongwe was like just irritated, and like quite frankly you can see Abongwe, she doesn't like the choice of, she doesn't like this choice of living, yes, Tembu, and she hates, like, it looks like, I'm obviously saying everything according to what I'm speculating or what I'm seeing, but it looks like she hates even like this whole thing that Umpumelelo is doing, because the way she just looked so like this, like, she couldn't even control her facial expressions, you guys. Like the others, you could see they were just like haibo, they were surprised, but Wabongo, it was more like not surprised. It was more like she's angry or irritated and like annoyed at the same time. And I'm just like, these two, we bound to see more of clashing between them, because even like their lifestyle and their way of living is not the same. So guys, tell me, have you also like noticed this thing between Umpumelelo no Abongwe? I can't put my finger on it, but I know it's definitely gonna come out. It's bound to come out. They are bound to clash again. But I do want to say that it is a normal thing for siblings not to get along. But what I love about them is that even though they don't seem to be each other's favorite sibling, they still do try and respect one another. They still do try and get along for the sake of other siblings. They don't make it awkward. But guys, now I can see it. I don't know, guys. Tell me, am I reaching? Am I seeing things, or have you noticed and picked up that subliminal thing between Umpumelelo and Abong? Anyway, please do make sure that you like this video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.